Nimetoka kwa marking hapo kwa compensation kwa ile swali nilipost last week. Hey, nimesema tu I don't want marking anymore because of the wonders I'm seeing in the comment section. So just sit there today and watch how to approach a scenario of a bank reconciliation. I don't want marking anymore. Just take your few minutes and see this. So this is a scenario for bank reconciliation. We have been told that the balance in the cash book of Mr. KK as at that 1st December or 1st January 2020 was 10,000 credit. On the same date, the balance as per the bank statement was 30,000. So we want to reconcile these two amounts of 10,000 and 30,000 to match. Now, we've been told on examining the bank statement and the cash book, the following differences were observed. Number one is that the check totaling to 12,000 has been paid into the bank on that date, but not credited by the bank until, so this one is the month of January, but it was not credited until 1st of February. So don't mind with the year, but we are much interested in the month period. So that is the word of the discrepancy. Let me know in the comment section also, so that I will mark this one in the comment section. I said I don't need marking anymore, but what do we call that one? Good. Number two, bank charges amounting to 1,500. Great. Number three, a standing orders to KPLC of 2,200 are being paid by the bank, but not entered in the cash book. These standing orders. Another one here, we have been told dividend income amount to 11,000 collected by the bank and did not appear in the cash book. So where do we take this? Where do we take this? Another one, we have been told a check totaling to 44,700 had been paid to the suppliers but not presented to the bank. Those of you who have been in the class of accounting, you know this one is unpresented check, unpresented check. So what is the steps for us to prepare the bank reconciliation of this scenario? This is a department from the Strathmore University accounting business, which it's almost the same. Accounting is universe. Accounting is universe. Whether it is the practical or school, it is the same. So first approach, we will do updated cash book. Thereafter, we do a bank reconciliation. I don't need marking. We go straight to the uliandika swali wewe, andika swali. Okay, let's do updated cash book. Updated cash book. Updated cash book. You know, updated cash book, we have debit and credit. I will not rule, but I will just use debit and credit. So we have been told that there was a balance on the credit side. So we call it balance brought forward of 10,000. That is our current balance. And then there is a check totaling. That one has not been scenario one. That one we call it uncredited check. So mark your answer in the comment section. Then bank charges, we also credit bank charges. Bank charges, we credit bank charges. I normally have good handwriting. I don't know why, Leo. So, and then to corner a standing order, it's also an expenditure. So we call the standing order, specifically call it electricity. Do you pay electricity? So we have electricity of 2,200. Electricity of 2,200. And then kuna dividend income amount to 11,000 collected by the bank did not appear in the cash book. So that is an income. What do we do for income? You debit cash or bank, you credit an income account, which is a dividend income. So we are going to debit here dividend of 11,000. So let's balance of these account based on my values, it means the balance carried forward will be on this side. So let's do mathematics. We don't have any other adjustment. So get the balance carried forward, which will be on this side. Balance carried forward. So take your calc. So the credit is 13,700, which will be the same on this side. So take this minus this to get the balance carried forward of 2,700. So that one now will come here and do our reconciliation, bank reconciliation, which you will say balance as per updated cash book. If it is a practical part, you say balance as per the ledger. You don't say the cash book when you are doing a reconciliation for practical, because I'm also practicing. So it is the same. So take 27. And also, if you are being in accounting class, when we have a balance of a cash on the debit side, what does that mean? This is a bank overdraft. This is a negative. These are negative. So we will say add unpresented check, we less uncredited check. So how much do we have as unpresented check? 44,700. Uncredited check is 12,000. Let me see your answers. How much are you getting? Hey, let me see in your comment section. Najua mmepata vitu zingine tofauti. Okay, so we said this is when it is on the debit, it is a bank overdraft, and here when value is a bank overdraft, it shows that you overdrawn the amount you have in your bank. So you owe the bank 2,700 plus this minus this. So which you should be able to get 30,000, which is this one, we call it balance as per the bank statement. Balance as per the bank statement. Balance as per the bank statement. Is it the same with this value we have it here? Yes. This is a simple approach to bank reconciliation, which is the same also when you come to the practical field. You normally update your QuickBook, so and all the ledgers and all the accounting software you have thereafter do this small reconciliation. So let me know in the comment section, how do you normally approach your bank reconciliation? This one I'm not going to mark because I've given you the answer. The other one for deferred tax, I'm going to upload the video in the YouTube so that you can see what you wrote. Nilicheka sana. So wacha nijue in the comment section, comment about the bank reconciliation.